Hey Tree babes, coming at you with another fun video, just showcasing a little bit more beauty tips. Some of you were asking some questions following a video on how to brighten up the eye area. Again, allergy season's kind of like here is upon us. I don't know about you, but sometimes just even looking at the sun, I'm like weeping, windy day. Forget about it. It's like my eyes can't even like handle that, let alone like puffy skin. So here's a couple tips. Night before, try and shy away from too much anything oily around the eye area. Hopefully that'll kind of help with eliminating eye puffiness. Also cold spoons, cucumber slices, put everything in the freezer, or even like one of those like little magic bags that you can kind of freeze. Those also work too if you need to kind of just put that on for like 10 minutes in the morning just to kind of help eliminate that feeling of puffiness. And like, let's be honest, a good old cup of coffee too also helps as well. But what I wanted to show you is how to work if you are feeling a little puffy, if there's of course discoloration, but if also you're prone to wrinkles. I know we covered a little bit there, but I'm also going to be leaning on and showing you how to work with our foundations. Water-based, so this way it's gentle for whatever your skin type may be. I also like to work with paraben-free, fragrance-free, which is what the Tree Lane brand is. So this way you're not ending up with more sensitivities need be. So you're just gonna put like a little dollop of this on the back of your hand. So then this way, grabbing that clean little sponge, you're able to kind of come in just a little bit more heavy right along in here. Now, you can honestly see that I'm obviously squeezing in a little bit more of that product in here. Now, the trick is not to come in with anything too pinky that can kind of pick up any redness in the eyes. So sticking a little bit more kind of a yellow-based foundation is kind of key. I'm also a fan of not layering in so many products in this area. It can really irritate dry, red, allergy skin, especially if your eyes are prone to that. But just kind of coming in a little bit closer here, so this way you can kind of see there, you're able to kind of work with just letting this kind of sit naturally into the fine lines. It's not enhancing them, but it's definitely kind of camouflaging and just creating more of a softening effect, which is more of a bonus. So over here you can kind of see that I haven't done anything there, but just adding that little bit there too. Now, I know I showcased our contour and highlighting, which will be bringing out some more fun stuff how to work with this guy. But what I really like is I'll take the whiter tone here, work my brush in there. I know I demonstrated you could always tap in a little bit here, but if need be, just very gently adding a little bit of more of that matte white along in here. Again, let's not create raccoon eye effect. But you can already start to see here as I just gently do this, and I just gently here, again, don't be swiping it off as you're doing this, just very gently kind of working this guy in. Creates a little bit more of that brightness. Again, it's more yellow versus anything shiny, shimmery, or silver. And now we have kind of brightened up that area, also kind of eliminated any redness and any puffiness that there may be. But definitely reach out to us. We're always here. And any other inquiries, you can jump to treelane.com, and do definitely check out some of the other videos from our professional makeup artists, as most of them are running a shopping promo for our online store. So have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.